Hi guys! Today we gonna learn to make DIY paper flower sticks. Very easy and fantastic paper flower sticks making handmade paper craft. So you need some required materials. First you have to take two shape of green and yellow color paper, then size it 10 into 10 centimeter, 7 into 18 centimeter.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Take the 10 into 10 centimeter yellow color paper and crease it by your hands as like showing on the video. Now draw a line by pencil. Keep your eyes carefully. Now cut its corners by a scissor. Wow, it becomes a beautiful flower. Now take the 7 into 18 centimeter green color paper and the narrow stick. Then crease it roundly as like showing in the video. Now glue its last corner and bind it. It becomes a paper stick. Cut its both side. Take the yellow color paper and cut its one corner. Make it more by different ways of each flower as like showing on the video. Now glue its one side and add it with another side. Make it rest of the flower by the same way. Now crease the flower leaves as like showing on the video. Wow, it become a beautiful flower. Make it rest of the flower by the same way. Put each flower on it and over it one by one with some glue as like showing on the video. Now take the paper stick and cut its one side. Open it and glue on it. Wow! How beautiful your making flower stick is. Make it more by the same way. So by this you can make more DIY paper flower stick. Very easy and fantastic paper flower sticks making handmade paper crafts.